Hello guys and welcome back. It is time for another Petit Vour Plus unboxing. So if you guys are new here and you don't know how this goes, we talked about last month's box, what I liked, what I didn't like, and then we will unbox this month's box. So first we had the I Defy eye cream. I don't remember the brand, but it'll be up here. I've had this before. It's nothing new. It's good. As far as an eye cream goes, I've never used an eye cream that I was like, oh my gosh, this is amazing, except for that needleless serum by, was it Goldfarb? I can't remember the brand, but it was really good. But it wasn't just an eye cream. It was more like a spot cream thing. It was really good. But it was fine. I didn't notice anything either or, so I wouldn't buy it again. Now the Fluency Multi-Stick, this is the one that threw me for a loop, guys, because I've had Fluency twice. Both times I hated it. The first time the color wasn't right. The second time the color was better, but it smelled like pennies and I could not stand to wear it. And then this one was perfect. It was the perfect shade for me. I loved it. And it worked pretty well. Honestly, I think I would just use it as a lip. I know it's a multi-stick. You're supposed to be able to use it for your eyes and on your cheeks and da-da-da-da. I really just liked it for my lips. I have blush and I hardly ever use it as it is. And then as far as like for my eyes, I have a plethora of eyeshadow, a plethora. And I have every color you can possibly imagine. So that like light color, because once you put it on your eyes and you smudge it in there, it's just not vibrant. And I really like, obviously I like really vibrant colors when I'm doing my eyeshadow, so that wasn't for me. But as a lipstick, I really liked it. The Belle Pierre Milky Cleanser, I really wanted to like this, you guys. I really did, but I found it to be, this is the problem I have. So I have dry skin, and I know that cleansers like this are supposed to be good for my skin, but I do not like using a cleanser that doesn't feel like it's cleansing, and that's what this does. This felt like wet lotion. That's the consistency to me. Like if you put lotion in your hand and then put it underwater, that's what it feels like, and I hate it because it doesn't feel like it's cleansing anything. Actually, I've been using a cleanser lately that I really like, that it doesn't dry out my skin, but it also does suds and bubble and make it feel like it's cleaning my skin. So I unfortunately would not buy this one again. I mean, I'm gonna use it all. I've been using it as my night care routine. So like when I'm doing my if I wear makeup, I start by doing the e.l.f. cleansing balm. I love the e.l.f. cleansing balm. I've used it forever. It's great at getting off any makeup, and this is like, I use it pretty heavy on my lids, and it gets off of everything. So I love that. And then I follow up with the Belle Pierre Milky Cleanser, because after I use that, it's got the majority of everything off my face, so hopefully that the Belle Pierre can finish the job. And then I do a serum, eye cream, all that stuff that I do before bed. But yeah, I wouldn't buy this one again, personally. I don't think it's for me. The Maison Louis Marie No. 4, the little perfume. Oh, it was so lovely. It smelled so nice. My daughter has it. She took it from me. She has her own little tiny perfume now. She's very excited about it. It smells lovely. And I thought, well, the problem with perfumes is, what if you use it for a while, then you get sick of smelling it? So it did not get too cloying after a while. It was actually pretty nice the whole time through. So, and that's something I always worry about with trying out a new perfume, is what if I don't like it long term? But this was good. The Upcircle Face Moisturizer. Okay, so this one I'm up in the air on. I think that it's fine. A lot of the Upcircle products that I use, that's how I feel about them. I feel like they're fine. I love the idea of them. I love that they use a lot of like recycled product, and they use natural ingredients, obviously vegan, don't test on animals, yada yada. I love the idea of them. But every time I use an Upcircle product, it's never like wows me, you know? It's like, it's fine. It'll do, you know? But anyway, that does it for last month's box. Let's take it up top or down and unbox this month's box. All right, let's check her out. Happy Mail Day. I already see a bottle on the top. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Plum Rose Glow Toner. I was just talking the other day about how I needed to try more toners because I really liked this one toner that I got in a box once. It was the Vegan by Happy Skin, and I can't get it around here. I'd have to order it online. It would have to be shipped internationally, and the shipping is insane. So I'm not getting it. But it was my favorite toner I've ever tried. So right now I'm just kind of using whatever. I find a vegan toner and I give it a try. And nothing has really wowed me yet. So I'm glad that I got a new toner to try. And it's their brand. Because it says Petit Vour right there. So I'm assuming it's their own brand. That's cool. I didn't know they were making their own. Oh no. We got more eye defy, guys. I'm going to have to start giving these away to people. I have like 4 right now. I'm trying to get through one. And I have like 4. And I don't use eye cream on my, like, honestly, like, I use eye cream almost every night just because I have so much of it. And I don't use very much of it. So I don't know what I'm going to do with all this eye cream. Oh, what is this? There's something big in here. Hold on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Belle Pierre Get the Look Blush Edition. Okay, so this is like a whole box, but this is all that's in here. So we got some eye cream, a toner, and then a blush highlighter situation. So this is interesting. So it's got a blush and highlighter, and then it's got a cream blush. And I have one of these, the blush stick, and then it's got a blush brush. I honestly don't know how I feel about this, you guys. I feel disappointed. All right, you guys, I am ready to talk about this box, okay? And, you know, it's hard because I don't want to sound like an asshole, but I'm disappointed with this box. So we'll talk pricing first and then I'll get on to my thoughts. The Belle Pierre blush set is, the best price I found is $42.50. The Eye Defy, this tiny little one, is like at most $10, at the most. And then their toner, their Plum Rose Glow Toner in the 60 ml bottle is $25, which makes this grand total $77.50. So I know that the Petit Vour Plus box is supposed to be like the products that people liked from previous boxes. You're telling me that I need to be sent Eye Defy every month? Who's going through a whole tube of eye cream every month? Like, who's doing that? Who's using that much eye cream? Number one, let's get that out of the way. Number two, I don't want to knock this because it might be great. It might be amazing, but I do not subscribe to the Petit Vour Plus box to get their products sent to me. That is not what I subscribe for. That being said, it might be a great product. I'm going to use it because I've already recorded this video. Even if I'm a little, I don't want to say upset, but I'm disappointed. I'm like a mom. I am a mom, but no, like, I'm not angry. I'm just disappointed. I'm going to try it. And I will let you guys know what I think about it, obviously. But I'm not pleased. And I've been thinking for a long time, like, do I want to keep subscribing to this? I use most of the products that I get. Most of them I do. Sometimes I give them away. If I absolutely hate them and I've used them and I'm like, I don't feel confident giving this to somebody else, 100% I'm going to throw it away. If I hate the product or it doesn't, like, it works very badly and I've used it, and like, I'm very weird about using products and giving them to someone else. Like, if it's like a family member and they want it, sure. But I'm not going to give like a product that I've used to a friend or something like that unless they really want it. But it feels weird to me. And I hope somebody can relate to that. And then there's this. Like, it looks really fancy and nice, but I don't want this. I didn't ask for this. I don't even want to use this product. Like, I have some highlighter. I already have like 2 highlighters that I have on rotation right now. I have a cream one and a powder. I don't use highlighter or blush that often. I use highlighter more than I use blush. And I have 2 blushes on rotation right now. I have a cream blush and I have a powder blush. I don't want to open this and use it. And it's so upsetting because this is the part where I'm like, well, I could save this and give it to somebody. But I can't review this product then because I'm not going to be the one using it. And I think that's just what I'm going to do, is I'm not going to review this product because I don't want this. And I know that's so rude, and it's not a bad value. Like, the box is not a bad value. It's not their best value, but it's not a bad value. It's just, I don't want this. And I guess that's the way it goes with subscription boxes. Sometimes you just get stuff you don't want, and that's okay. I understand that. But like this specifically, I don't want to use this. So that's sad, because that means next month's box, I'm only going to review 2 products. Like, I've reviewed this blush stick before. I reviewed this before. It was okay. It's a cream blush. I actually have the same cream blush stick on rotation right now. So, like I said, I have a cream blush and a powder blush. So I have a Belle Pierre powder blush and a Belle Pierre cream blush on rotation right now. I'm not going to review this product, unfortunately. And this is the part where I'm kind of like, do I want to keep doing these subscription boxes? I love doing the beauty boxes, and I think it's helpful to people. Like, when I first went vegan, the only products I would buy, because I was using like Olay and stuff like that, and I had no idea that my makeup wasn't vegan. Like, I just wasn't eating animals. But then I was like, oh my gosh, everything we own, that we consume, that we use, potentially has animal products in it and or animal suffering attached to it. So when I first went vegan, this beauty box, specifically the vegan cuts and the Petit Vour box, because I have had another one, but I think they went out. I can't remember. I think it was Kinder Beauty. I used them, and it helped me so much, like, try new products and figure out what I like. I think I'm at the point now, I don't need them anymore. I don't need these beauty boxes anymore. Like, I want to find a new toner, but like this last year and this year, I found some really good products that I like. Found new mascara that I liked and things like that. But I don't think I want to keep subscribing to a beauty box where it's going to send me this giant thing of blush and highlighter I'm not going to use in a brush, because I have tons of makeup brushes. I don't need another makeup brush. I bought a brush kit, like one of those unrolling ones from e.l.f. like 12 years ago, guys, and it's still in perfect condition because I hardly use any of the brushes in it. I have like only a handful, like 3 or 4 brushes that I use whenever I do my makeup. I don't need another brush. I don't need another brush. I don't need more blush. I don't need more highlighter. I don't need more eye defy. I do need more toner, but that's neither here nor there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry about my rant, but I just had to go off on a tangent because I feel like they're getting lazy. I'm sorry, Petit Vour, but you are getting lazy. Do better. Like, you are literally just taking things and throwing them into boxes now. Like, I'll give this away as a gift to somebody for Christmas. That's what I'll do. So I guess there's that. You saved me some money there. But at the end of the day, it's like, give me something different. I understand you're like, oh, they're better products, like products that people have liked. Do they like the Eye Defy so much that I need to get a bottle every month? I don't know. Anyway, that does it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you all again next month with another Petit Vour unboxing. Bye!